I'm right to the bone. Wait. Oh, wait. Who's that behind him? Oh.
I'll take it.
Oh.
Ready?
Oh, what do you gotta say, son?
Get out!
Oh, he's going. Yo, he's starting good. We YouTube it. Oh, look at him. It's cold out. He's wearing shorts.
Just find an angle and then just put the camera there.
Get cold. I don't get cold. I do not.
Man's not
I do not get
cold.
cold. Okay.
Okay. So.
That's literally like right on the side of my As you bend back, your foot kicks mine and it rolls. That's not a drop. The drop's when you gotta triple.
Today is Thursday.
You missed it, Ty. I dropped him. Everyone here knows he didn't drop.
Dude, that's like one of those like pictures you take at like a.
Look, he was in the corner right there.
You mean again?
And when he stepped, no, he was not dribbling. First of all, yes, and then
I don't know if I'm.
What the heck happened? My gum out, but I don't really know where, you know? Maybe in this dude's yard? Is that vandalism? Can I get that on camera? We're gonna do it, Ready? Look around, and just, and then spray! How do you zoom on this dumb thing? Hey, they didn't call it dumb. Don't listen to that on the editing.
getting injured today, boys. Oh my god.
God, he is trash. Oh, there it goes.
Please tell me.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, down in the
How do you zoom? You look like Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. This would be. He is thick. Ah, and he misses, of course. Oh my god. Biggest brick I've ever seen.
I don't know if I put it off. I don't even know if it's Thanks.
Son, can you do me a favor?
Why are you jumping? Alright, 1-0. I'm sorry, 1. I had it's for the camera. It's for the camera. I'm gonna say 1-1.
My best friend Patrick.
This team was
Legend. He rides bench. Got an ISO. It looks like we got an ISO. Is he gonna shoot that? He shot though. Oh my! Eat up, baby. Eat up, baby. Let's go, baby.
Give me that ball.
Hi. He's making everybody on the court eat a whole. Coach Stevens. Can I get a word? Wow, he's big. He is big, dog. He is big. Well, he hasn't played football since Madden 16. He's in the post. He's posting him up. It's to me, cameraman. Eat a bucket. Yeah, Brendan with the rebound. Brendan's gonna take it out. He's gonna pass it out to his teammate David way back there. He's gonna shoot that, and he completely misses it as usual. Look at him, dude.
Just throw it up in the air.
Look how ugly he is, dog. He's gonna pull that as usual. He missed. 50-50 ball. David recovers. David's big. He dropped him again.
Okay, 9-14.
Does not look like the ankles are okay.
9, I think.
Might need to get some hospital braces.
They hit the roof this time. They talk
Wow.
about fucking. We're giving that to him.
10-14.
Let's check my phone, dog. I got a snap. Her. How you doing, dog?
Watch out!
Here, record.
No, we're recording still. Oh, are you guys over?
Double ankle.